Hello and welcome wherever you are. You may be wondering where I have been and what I have been up to. Well, I haven't posted any videos in a long time, and this has been due to the building of an extension to my home. If you have ever gone through such an exercise, you will know what an upheaval it is. My workshop had to be turned into a storage warehouse for the household things that we had to put away whilst work was ongoing. Now, thankfully, we are back to some form of normality, and so I had a chance to get on with a number of projects that I want to tackle for some time. Number one, I modified my bandsaw so I could cut circles of different diameters. Number two, I made a tool that produces knobs of different design. Number three, I made a digital readout, DOR, for my benchtop drill. Number four, I replaced my old Moxon vise with a much more efficient and larger vise. Number five, I built a apology. This is a real bonus surprise. Just to give you a hint, this is an improvement anyone can make for a very modest expenditure, but you will have to wait until this video is on YouTube. So, as you can see, I have not become totally redundant. Now I shall prepare detailed videos for each one of those wonder tools, and I shall bring them to YouTube for your pleasure and enjoyment. See you soon!